Hi guys, before starting the video, I am making a request to you, please subscribe my channel. Samsung S25 Ultra, a comprehensive review. The Samsung S25 Ultra, the latest flagship device from one of the world's most renowned tech giants, represents a leap forward in the evolution of smartphones. This device combines cutting-edge technology, a sleek design, and advanced features to cater to the needs of modern users. In this review, we'll delve into its design, display, performance, camera system, battery life, software, and overall user experience. Design and build quality. The Samsung S25 Ultra boasts a sophisticated design that seamlessly blends elegance with durability. The device features a premium glass and metal construction, giving it a high-end feel. With a sleek, slim profile and a robust build, it's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining a stylish appearance. The back of the S25 Ultra showcases a refined camera module that sits flush with the rear glass, minimizing bulkiness while allowing for the impressive camera system to shine. The phone is available in various colors, including classic shades like Phantom Black and Mystic Silver, as well as more vibrant options like Electric Blue and Sunset Red, catering to different aesthetic preferences. Display. The S25 Ultra's display is one of its standout features. It sports a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a QHD Plus resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. This high-resolution display ensures sharp, vibrant visuals that make everything from media consumption to gaming a delight. The AMOLED technology provides deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast ratios. Performance. Under the hood, the Samsung S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos 2400, or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, depending on the region, processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This powerful combination ensures that the device handles multitasking with ease and can run demanding applications without breaking a sweat. Whether you're playing graphics-intensive games, running productivity apps, or streaming high-definition videos, the S25 Ultra delivers a seamless performance. The device also includes a substantial amount of internal storage, starting from 256 GB and going up to 1 TB, so you have ample space for all your files, apps, and media. Camera system. The camera system on the S25 Ultra is one of its most impressive features. It includes a quad-camera setup on the rear, featuring 108MP primary sensor. This high-resolution sensor captures incredibly detailed photos with excellent color accuracy and low-light performance. 12MP ultra-wide sensor. With a 120-degree field of view, this lens is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots. 10MP telephoto sensor. Offering 5x optical zoom, this lens allows you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing image quality. 12MP periscope lens. Providing up to 10x optical zoom, this lens is ideal for capturing distant subjects with remarkable clarity. The front camera is a 40MP sensor that delivers sharp selfies and supports 4K video recording. Samsung has also integrated advanced AI features into the camera system, including enhanced night mode, portrait mode, and real-time image processing to improve photo quality. Battery life and charging. The Samsung S25 Ultra is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which offers all-day battery life under typical usage conditions. This sizable battery capacity ensures that you can go through a full day of heavy use without needing to recharge. In terms of charging, the device supports 45W fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. It also includes 15W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging capabilities, providing flexibility for powering up the device and even charging other Qi-compatible devices wirelessly. Software and user experience. The Samsung S25 Ultra runs on Android 14, layered with Samsung's One UI 6.0. This combination offers a clean, intuitive user interface with a range of customization options. One UI 6.0 introduces various enhancements, including a more streamlined settings menu, improved multitasking features, and a refined notification system. Connectivity and additional features. The S25 Ultra supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds and reliable connections. It also includes Wi-Fi 7 for improved network performance, Bluetooth 5.4 for better audio quality and connectivity, and NFC for convenient mobile payments. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking, IP68 water and dust resistance for durability, and stereo speakers tuned by AKG for a high-quality audio experience. User experience. In everyday use, the Samsung S25 Ultra excels in providing a premium experience. The combination of a stunning display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera system ensures that users can enjoy a wide range of activities with ease.